I got a 2014 Grand Caravan from Dodge. Right, we have a no check engine light, but a misfire. And when we take off the valve cover, this is what we find out first. I'm not taking any fence yet. There's a bolt was loose. You can turn by hand, and this bolt will actually attach it, see here, to the hydraulic lifter. Alright, and this bolt is fine. And at the back, and also find out is also there's a bolt. Sorry. And it's same thing. It was, you can turn it by hand, and actually it's connected to the oil gallery for the hydraulic lifter. So just want to ask you guys, if everybody see this before, please leave me in the comments. Thank you.